Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Samsung Internet and going straight to Tabs. Don't delay. Tap the three-dot menu, then choose Turn on Secret Mode. This activates the private session immediately. When prompted, set a PIN or connect your fingerprint so the mode locks. This prevents casual access. Once done, make sure to enable available sync or erase options. They control what persists. You're ready to browse privately. Keep the gate, PIN or biometric, active for consistent protection. Once secret mode is active, you manage tabs just like normal tabs, except nothing merges with regular history. Open, close, and reorder them inside the secret session. When downloading, choose Save to Secret Folder or Cancel. Downloads can leak data if stored publicly. Make sure to use the clear browsing data controls inside secret mode to remove history, cache, and form entries before exiting. If you want links to stay hidden, avoid opening external apps from secret pages. To finish, exit secret mode via the three-dot menu so normal tabs return. This ensures no secret tabs remain open. If you ever get locked out, use your Samsung account recovery or the PIN reset options. These restore access without exposing secret content. If secret content still appears after exiting, clear Samsung Internet app storage or reinstall the app to remove cached files. This fixes persistent leaks. One troubleshooting tip: verify downloads and gallery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.